Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Clean Nutraceutical Sea Moss with Black Seed, a combination supplement that promises enhanced benefits by pairing sea moss with black seed oil. We wanted to see if this mix truly works or if it's just another overhyped product. Sea moss provides essential minerals for thyroid and immunity, while black seed is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Together, they're marketed as a powerhouse supplement for digestion, energy, and immune defense. After taking it consistently, we notice improved digestion, reduced bloating, and a slight increase in daily energy. The black seed addition seemed to enhance the immune supporting benefits compared to a plain sea moss alone. The pros are the unique combination of two potent ingredients, noticeable digestion and immune benefits, and the convenience of getting both supplements in one product. The cons are that it's more expensive than standalone sea moss or black seed supplements. Results are subtle rather than dramatic, and it requires long-term use to fully appreciate the benefits. Overall, Clean Nutraceutical Sea Moss Black Seed is legit. It works best for those who want a convenient way to combine two powerful natural ingredients, but the price may not justify it for everyone. This has been how to really keep things smart and simple and scam-free.